Now student, we are going to discuss question number 7.10, and in this question we have two part number A and part number B. Clear? So in part number A, this is given to you. We have to find moment of inertia of a sphere about a tangent to the sphere. Clear? So okay, first I am drawing here a sphere. Let's suppose here we have this sphere. Clear? And it is given find moment of inertia of a sphere about a tangent to the sphere. So let's suppose I am taking here one point, and let's suppose this is tangent to this sphere. Okay, fine. Given moment of inertia of a sphere about any of its axis, any of its diameter. So let's suppose I am saying this is a diameter, and you know very well diameter always passes through center. Clear? So we can say this ICM actually provided to you. This is given 2 by 5 mr square, and actually we know it very well. Clear? Moment of inertia of a solid sphere about an axis that passes through its center, that is given by 2 by 5 mr square. Fine. Now our objective here in this question is to calculate value of moment of inertia about this axis, or we can say about this tangent. Now we can say we are assuming here radius. Actually it is also given in a question, radius of this solid sphere we have capital R. So now we can apply here parallel axis theorem. Clear? So parallel axis theorem says I equal to ICM plus MD square. Clear? Now moment of inertia about an axis that passes through center of mass, that is given by 2 by 5 mr square plus capital M. Now if I talk about D, so we can say D, we can say this is equal to R square. Clear? So from here we can see this is given by 7 by 5 mr square. Clear? So this is moment of inertia about an axis that passes through, or we can say this is moment of inertia about an axis that is tangent to this solid sphere. Clear? Now we are going to solve part number B. So in part number B it is given the moment of inertia of a disk of mass m and radius r about its diameter is mr square by 4. So definitely we know. Clear? Let's suppose I am assuming this is a disk. Clear? And if I am talking about moment of inertia about this disk. Clear? So I can say moment of inertia about its center of mass, we can say about an axis that passes through center of mass, and we can say along its diameter, or along the or we can say this axis lie in the plane of this disk. Clear? So it is given to you mr square by 4. Clear? Now what is our objective? Our objective in this question is to calculate moment of inertia about an axis normal to the disk and passes through a point on its edge. Clear? So let's suppose I am talking about this point, and we can say let's suppose this point is actually edge. Clear? Now we want to find moment of inertia about an axis that passes through this edge, and we can say perpendicular to this plane of this disk. Clear? So we know, can we find here moment of inertia about an axis that passes through a center of mass and perpendicular to disk? Yes, we can apply here, or we can actually write here perpendicular axis theorem. Perpendicular axis theorem says Iz, this is given by Ix plus Iy. Clear? Now we can say if we are taking this as x-axis, this one as y-axis, then definitely we can say moment of inertia will remain same. So mr square by 4 plus, I can say mr square by 4, this one is equal to mr square by 2. Clear? Mr square by 4 plus mr square by 4, this is equal to mr square by 2. Clear? So but this is what? This is moment of inertia about an axis that passes through center of mass, and we can say about z axis. Clear? So but our objective here in this question is to calculate moment of inertia about this axis. Now I will apply here parallel axis theorem. So let's suppose I am saying here we have this A. So Ia, this is given by Iz plus M. Now distance between these two axes, this is equal to radius. So I can say this is r square. Clear? So value of Iz, this given by mr square by 2 plus mr square, we can say this one is 3 by 2 mr square. Clear? So moment of inertia about a point that passes through edge of this disk. This is given by 3 by 2 mr square. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.